Welcome back for another Agix price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be giving you my pullback target areas and also areas that Agix needs to continue holding in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the charts, you can easily see that on the 18th of October, Agix gave us a low at around the $0.15717 mark before we saw this massive breakout to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances. And yesterday we saw a break above resistance at around the $0.215 mark, and we tried to have a retest of that key area of resistance, but the retest was not a success. And you can now see that we have now lost that key area of support, and it's now acting as resistance. But we are also holding above the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart, which is still providing us support to get another bounce back, get a break above resistance with a retest, and maybe continue gearing up to get above the $0.22 mark. And having in mind that Agix is now trying to break above resistance at around the $0.215 mark, there is another scenario that can play out, and the alternative is that we can try to break above resistance with no success, and we get rejected at that key area of resistance, see another pullback to the next key area of support at around the $0.2 mark, and as long as we continue holding above it, we can get another bounce back breaking above resistance. But in case we lose the $0.2 mark, then I will be expecting a retest and maybe continue heading further down to the area at around the $0.185 mark, and that is based on the Fibonacci's. And if I connect my Fibonacci's from the lows that we made on the 18th of October to that high, then that means that in case this pullback continues over here and we don't see a break above resistance in the next coming hours, then we need to keep our eyes on the area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.197 mark and the $0.1824 mark, which is an area that we can get a pullback into and then see a reaction of that, giving us another massive bounce back to the upper side. And in case we lose this blue target area, then that will be suggesting a worst case scenario on the Agix chart, where we can easily see a reset of the lows that we made at around the $0.15 mark. And jumping now to the daily chart to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the Agix chart, basing it on the Elliot wave structures, you can see that after getting our lows back in 2022, we saw that massive push giving us a high above the $0.67 mark, giving us the high for this first wave to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target area highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized and also continued to hold within. And there are chances that in the next coming hours we are going to continue seeing that momentum to continue gearing up, see a break, and get impulsive in what could be the start of an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3. And that is what I'm expecting to play out once the bull market starts, where we can see an impulse in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us all-time highs here on the Agix chart. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term here on the Agix chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you.